Okay, we're down here at Solar Storage live at the Birmingham NEC, and I've got the absolutely gorgeous, I think we've got to say there, Sean with us from GivEnergy. It's going to be taking us through what I think is a really exciting product here. Come on, take us into it. Sean.
So what we've got here is the GivEnergy All-in-One products, which comes with the Gateway and the All-in-One AC coupled system. So it's a 13.5 kilowatt hour storage with 6 kilowatt nominal discharge rate with built-in grid backup UPS system integrated into the product.
Now you said Gateway there, and as an old college lecturer, Gateway to me was when you come to the end of your apprenticeship and you had to go through Gateway. But tell me a little bit more about this as a gateway. What does it do?
I'll open it up and obviously give it a bit more into visuals of what's going on there. So the Gateway is a central hub in essence of where we're going to bring the battery into, any solar PV that might be at the property, as we can see an EV charger, and we're going to distribute the customers' loads from this location as well. So we're bringing the grid supply into here. This will then monitor it via internal CTs, etc., and it'll decide when and where to distribute that power.
Okay, so it looks like for this we've got to bring in quite a lot of cables and things. Is that the case?
You think so? No. A lot of this has been pre-wired for you. We've made it as simple as possible for the installer to bring this into play. It's a live and neutral in and an earth from the grid out to the consumer units, a solar PV supply and an all-in-one battery supply. So in essence, 4 sections of cables, 4 cables.
Brilliant stuff. And this little blank here, what's this for?
So this is in preparation for an EV charger, which we have just now released and it's ready for pre-order. That's what that termination's for there. So that can be removed and a double pole isolator and meter can be put in situ to provide for it. Either our charger or even a third-party car charger can be installed into this product.
So we could fit this, no EV charger on the installation at all, but we're future-proofing it, ready for when the customer gets that car in order, gets it along, and they want the EV charger fitted, hopefully from your ecosystem.
Yes.
Yeah, brilliant stuff. Now, you've said about the all-in-one charger, so yeah, do you want to take us into this?
Yes. So this is the finished element, what you'll be looking at, but if we just pop this front cover off, we'll be able to see the internals of it.
Oh, wow, that was easy.
Yeah, super easy. Once you've got the locking screws off, it pops off. So what we're met here with is a modular pack. So this is actually quite a heavy unit once it's all built, but we've fitted it with these track system batteries, which can just slide in and out for ease of installation.
Where's the inverter?
So the inverter is built into this top housing here.
Oh, so that's it?
That's it, in that top section there, which there's no need for installer or anyone to enter this point. We've got all the connection points situated on the right hand side.
So these are the battery units just here, so
you just grab the handle.
Okay.
It does come with retaining screws on the sides. So all you can do now is grab the handle, pull it out slightly, which will then free up the handles on the sides, which will then freely drop it down and place it.
And that's unplugged it?
That's unplugged, battery, and it's safe to touch. Well, this is all safely isolated here, so there's no chance of harm, because yes, these are HV batteries, but it's been created in a way where no one ever needs to get anywhere near those connections and access points.
Brilliant stuff. So, Sean, where am I going to be fitting one of these? What customer is going to be wanting one of your all-in-one units?
This will be for a domestic customer. This is a residential battery, in essence, single-phase system, and people who have got looking to go green. Mainly, obviously, they've got solar panels, and people who are on the old tariff, for example, they're now saving on that, profit from that old system, and they want to bring in more green energy into the property. This is for people who can benefit more to the green energy world and obviously make more savings. This can be fully integrated with Octopus Energy also. Yeah. So they can have that peak shaving and profit even more from what they've already been doing.
So for all of this, and for just that amount of space, we can turn all of our green credentials within our domestic and commercial properties in such a small footprint.
In such a small footprint area, yes.
This is absolutely excellent. Well, Sean, thank you so much for taking us through that.
No problem.
And yeah, can't wait to see it integrated with the EV charger as well.
Thank you.